TD Ameritrade Mobile App Review. TD Ameritrade offers two primary mobile applications to cater to different types of investors, which is the TD Ameritrade Mobile App and the thinkorswim Mobile App. The TD Ameritrade Mobile App, designed for casual investors, this app provides a user-friendly interface that allows users to monitor positions and balances on a single screen. It offers access to market news related to your holdings, facilitating informed decision-making. While the thinkorswim Mobile App, tailored for active traders, this app delivers advanced trading capabilities, including complex options ordering, futures and forex trading, and comprehensive charting tools. It aims to replicate the robust features of the thinkorswim desktop platform, ensuring that traders have access to professional-level tools on the go. The pros of this app is that it's a user-friendly design. Both apps are designed to be intuitive, with the TD Ameritrade Mobile App being particularly suitable for beginners due to its straightforward navigation. Next is comprehensive features. The thinkorswim Mobile App offers a wide range of functionalities, including advanced charting, real-time data, and a variety of order types, catering to the needs of active traders. And lastly is educational resources. The TD Ameritrade provides educational content within its apps, helping users enhance their trading knowledge and stay informed about market developments. Well, as for the cons, it is performance issues. Some users have reported occasional inaccuracies in options reporting within the thinkorswim Mobile App, which can affect trading decisions. And lastly is learning curve. The extensive features of the thinkorswim Mobile App might present a learning curve for new traders, potentially requiring time to fully utilize its capabilities. When it comes to key features, here are the three key features that I will mention, which is the easy portfolio management, market news and research, and seamless trading. In summary, TD Ameritrade's mobile applications are well regarded for their comprehensive features and user-friendly design. The TD Ameritrade Mobile App is ideal for beginners seeking straightforward trading capabilities, while the thinkorswim Mobile App caters to active traders desiring advanced tools and functionalities. And so, I think that is enough for this video. I hope this been helpful to you by any chance. Please like and subscribe. Also comment your opinion and experience about it. But that was it then. See you again in the next video.